Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nutcoin. Ticker symbol is NUT, N-U-T. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 24th at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Nutcoin and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out. Check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, the NUT token, or the Nutcoin, is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 24th, 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search NUT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage, nutcoin.org, has a roadmap, tokenomics, has a link to their Etherscan. They're listed on CoinMarketCap, it says. They have a Twitter. They have a Telegram. It says, everything's nuts in this reality verse. Observation time is over. It's time for Nut to enter this meme universe. So Nutcoin is a community-oriented meme coin with one mission: build the biggest community ever seen in this crypto sphere, relying on Nuts memes. And if you go over to their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at nutcoin.org, first of all, you'll see that they have a bunch of links there. They have a link to their webpage. They have a link to a bunch of different things here. A NutSwap. It says the link to the webpage where you can learn about the meme coin. The NutSwap is where you can see a cheap DEX, a decentralized exchange and trustless bridge. And then they have WhenCash.org, experimental meme chain powered by Ethereum. So all sorts of links on there. Then it has a link to their webpage, nutcoin.org. They just joined in October 2023 on Twitter. Brand new project, 34 tweets, blue verified checkmark, 1,264 members. And then in their pinned tweet, you can find a whole link tree of stuff there. They have a DEX tools chart, a link to their Telegram. They have a link to Uniswap where you can get this token. So if you want to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get it off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Nutcoin using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is nutcoin.org. And yeah, you might have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll go over that in a second here. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 320 holders, a fully diluted market cap of $748,562, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 21 trillion tokens. Now, you can find the chart on DEX Tools, CoinMarketCap, all over the place. Cool thing about DEX Tools, they have a couple audits on there that we could check in a second to see if there's any warnings, any alerts on this token. And yeah, you can join their Telegram at nutcoin_en. It says there's only 66 members on there so far. But on their Twitter, under the pinned tweet there, you can find tons of memes. So that's what this project is all about, lots of memes. So it says, welcome into a new era of memes where Nut Meme Empire will raise from nothingness. Launched with no pre-sale, no taxes, so there you go. You won't have to worry about slippage or anything like that, maybe 0.5%. No contract owner, 100% of LP tokens burnt, and 100% of token supply locked to the Uniswap pool. Nut is a coin aiming to build the biggest community ever seen in the crypto sphere. Nut Army's got plenty of big ideas for this ecosystem and beyond. So we're here to stay buildle and hodl. And then they show you step by step how to get this token off Uniswap. If you didn't understand how I explained it earlier, if you go to nutcoin.org, they'll take you step by step through the whole thing. Tokenomics, 100% of the tokens, it says, go to the Uniswap pool, but I mean, obviously some are going to Mexc Global, so that's a little weird that they say that, but okay. Now they have a roadmap on here, starting with the Nut checklist. Use cute animal pictures, a trillion token supply at least, a logo created in less than 10 minutes, a supply capped by a holy number 21, etc. Then it says, join the Nut Army community, enter into the Nuttyverse, save the nuts, save the world. Very much a meme coin. I mean, even at the bottom of their webpage, it says, Nutcoin is a meme coin with no roadmap, no team, no intrinsic value, no expectation of financial return, just 100% useless for entertainment purposes only. So definitely be aware of that. Now, let's get to DEX tools here. So it says here they have a market cap right now, $743,000, 24-hour trading volume of $83,000. And let's scroll down here. So they do have one alert, it says, on their audits. Now, there's a DEX score of 93 out of 99. It says no buy and sell tax. They have 12 trust votes, 100% on there, but let's check their audit. So they have a Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, Go Plus, and Happy Security audit. And the only thing it says is on Quick Intel, it says there is other risks. So until there is like a full in-depth audit, like by CERDIC or one of these audit places that do full audits, we won't know exactly what the other risks are because it doesn't specify on the quick audit. But, always take every token with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.